me in my 40s. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth before I see my queen. Wow, who are you? Bitch, I'm 2-phone baby king. I think you're selfish. I like soul food. Pussy tastes like soul food. That's why you been my go-to. And that's my whole thing.
That's my thing.
I do whole things.
That's my thing.
She go both
That's
ways.
my thing.
You had a whole face. Pussy good, so I come through on my worst day. Like I should. Tell me if I'm understood. Yeah. First order business, dog, I gotta thank my mama. Second order business, shatter blessings, no more trauma. Third order business, do good decent, get good karma. First order business.